Hey guys, so I am going to show you 3 ways to rock your messy bun. First, just your classic messy bun here. So you can see when I'm towards the end, flip, turn, and there's my messy bun. Now, if I want to make it look like a cute messy bun, I will take a bobby pin and pin down a little bit. Second way to make it look cute, take a cute little scrunchie with some bows. Put that in. Or another cute way you could do your messy bun is your half up, half down messy bun. So this one, you're gonna wanna go through completely first. And then I only let about half of my messy bun through too. And then take your bobby pin, crimp side against your head, push it down, and pin some of that in place. I mean, it's called a messy bun, but you want to have a little bit of order, right? And then if you want these pieces, you can either twist and tuck, or you could braid them. 3 ways you can rock your messy bun.